Good morning, everybody. Today I'm going to be cleaning my current apartment. There's three things that prompted this. Spring cleaning, I'm moving, my boyfriend's birthday we're celebrating next weekend, so we just want the house clean for friends who are coming over. I'm gonna start in the kitchen, but I'm also going to probably focus the most on organizing my small closet. My boyfriend said he would do this, but he's not a morning person, and I'm doing a video, so why not? Now we are in the bedroom. I'm going to be cleaning out this closet here. My boyfriend actually built this for me because there was not enough closet space in here. This is the IKEA Pax something or rather. I'll put that on the screen. It was built exactly to what I needed it for. My laundry's downstairs, so usually this closet is packed, but because I'm moving, I'm also going to take out some clothes, fold them, and put them into my luggage so that I can just drive them over once we get our new apartment keys. And I'll probably tidy up my desk and things like that too. Let's get into it. Come on, stay for me. Ugh. Oh my god. Everything's trying to run. This looks actually insane, but it's pretty organized. So we have my pants over here. These go onto pants hangers, socks, underwear, all of that. Workout tops, t-shirts, sets, like pajama sets. And then everything that's getting hung up, I ran out of hangers. So we're gonna have to definitely buy some more when I move. That's gonna go into the closet. Okay, so because I ran out of hangers, I'm going to go through my closet and choose which items are going to get packed away in suitcases. Everything that's in the laundry, I know that I have worn or will wear. So I'm only having to go through these and figure out what I'm packing. We have this white top from Zara. I got this, did I get this in Paris? I got this in Paris and I haven't worn it yet, but I'm gonna keep it out just in case I have anything to do for work. I have a bunch of white tops. This is my interview top. It has these cute little Shakespeare sleeves, is what I call them. I won't need this. This is a linen white shirt. I haven't really worn it. I like that it's linen, so I have a linen option. This dress, I know that I won't need, so I'm just going to take it off the hanger. What else? This dress I have not worn. I actually want to take this to a tailor and just make it a short dress so that I can use it as a top. This I'm not going to wear. It's this jacket from Free People that I thrifted, but it has a squiggly zipper. It's sort of for slightly warmer weather. I'm just gonna throw it in the pile. Now I'm gonna speed this up because you get the idea. I'm actually really proud of this jacket. I have a bunch of pins that I've been collecting that I put on it.
Love this top. I got this from a farmer's market from this cute little African lady. And she sold really cool stuff. And I really, really like this top, so I'm gonna keep it out. This is a super fancy House of CB dress that I'm not gonna be wearing anytime soon. So I'm just going to put it in the pile. I have yet to wear this. It's this backless sheer dress, and I think what throws me off is the front because it's around the neck. I might have it tailored just to have, I don't know, it doesn't work if I do that. If you have any ideas on how to style this, let me know. Here's my pile of things I just pulled out of my closet that I don't need. And yeah, I mean, there's a lot of stuff that I wasn't wearing that's in there. We gained crap ton of hangers, have a crap ton of space. Because of the way that this IKEA closet was made, I really needed space for my shoe boxes. I wanted space above just so that I could hold purses, electronics. This is my knitting bag. I'll go ahead and show you what's in this bin just because I have to put a purse up. This is how my purse bin looks. I have a rogue hat in there. So this is an old fossil purse. Oh my god, it's so dusty. Really cute. So I'm honestly just going to stick it here. And now there's another purse in the bin. And then I saved space with these pant hangers. This room is so small and we were packed like sardines in this apartment that I didn't really have space for jewelry. So what I did was have these 3 jewelry boxes all separate that I just slid in. This top drawer is for workout clothes, underwear, bras, socks. It's a mess, but don't worry, we're gonna clean it. And this second drawer has all of my t-shirts, all of my sleeping clothes, pajama sets, things like that. And then, like I said, shoe boxes down here. I do have taller boots hiding in the back. Do you see? They're just hiding right back there. Let's go ahead and get started putting the clothes back in here. You can't even see me. I like to, there's this hack that I saw a while ago. These are the socks the correct way. Just flip one upside down, grab the toe part of one, grab the opening of one, scrunch it halfway, flip, scrunch it down over the other, and then you've got compact little sockies. Socks without a pair. I'm hoping that these are in the laundry right now, so. Okay, that's all I can do on this one for right now. I'm going to go ahead and do this. Just take these out. I'm gonna keep the t-shirts in because they're already folded. I'll put these back up, push them, and we're gonna add in shirts I folded. There's really no order I do this in. And now I'm gonna put pajamas in. And voila, this is usually how this section looks. Again, some stuff is in the laundry, so yeah. My beautiful shoe houses. So that is really my closet. This is where we ended up. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing me clean my closet and organize it. I'll see you guys next week. I'm super tired if you can't tell by my current state of being. Thanks for watching. Like if you like and subscribe if you wanna.